The art of expressing likes in the past. Hello, language learners. Today we'll be diving into an essential part of conversational English, specifically, expressing likes using past tense. Our focus will be on how to use the word liked, along with verbs in the past simple. Remember, being able to properly express your past preferences can greatly improve your English communication skills. First things first, let's understand what we mean when we say liked in past simple. Liked is the past simple form of the verb like, which is used to express enjoyment or approval. When we use liked with other verbs in past simple, we're talking about things that we enjoyed or approved of in the past. When you want to talk about an activity or thing that you liked in the past, you can say it this way: I liked, verb plus ing. The verb following liked should be in its ing form. Let's look at an example. I liked playing basketball when I was in high school. Here, liked is in the past tense, and it's followed by playing, which is the ing form of the verb play. Now let's take a look at more examples. The more you see how liked is used in different sentences, the better you'll understand how to use it yourself. I liked visiting my grandmother every summer. She liked reading mystery novels before bedtime. We liked going to the cinema on weekends. In each of these sentences, liked is used to express an activity that the speaker enjoyed doing in the past. Time to practice. Try creating your own sentences using liked, followed by a verb in the ing form. Remember, you're talking about something you enjoyed doing in the past. It could be a hobby, a habit, or an event. Don't be afraid to get creative. And there you have it. Now you're equipped to express your past likes in English using liked with verbs in the past simple. Keep practicing, and you'll become more fluent and confident. Hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning!